You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back. Thanks for joining us. Today we're diving into two specific types of pianos we ship the most often, baby grand and digital pianos. Each one presents unique challenges, and we've mastered them both. First, let's talk baby grand pianos. Baby grands are elegant but heavy. They usually weigh 500 to 600 pounds and are top heavy, which makes balance a serious concern. Here is how we do it. First, we lower and secure the lid using padded straps. Second, we remove pedals and legs with specialized tools. Third, we wrap each piece in foam and industrial blankets. 4. Carefully place the body on a skid. 5. Build a custom crate around each part. The legs and pedals are packed separately, and we log every component to ensure it's reassembled perfectly at your destination. Now let's talk digital pianos. Some digital models are simple to ship, others not so much. High-end digital pianos have fragile internal components like circuit boards, pressure sensors, and speakers. They require shock protection, anti-static materials, and careful moisture control. We treat them just like acoustic instruments because your investment deserves that level of care. If it's bulky or fragile, don't ship it with a courier. We'll custom crate and ship it via ocean or air freight, just like we would an upright or grand. Do you have a digital or a grand piano? Let us assess whether air or ocean is best. We're going to walk you through every step, including safe, disassemble, and reassemble. You can visit our website today to fill out a quote form, or you could speak to one of our international piano specialists by calling 877-339-0267.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.